Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage. In today's video, we're going to show you how to save almost $150 by doing a DIY mirror install over the factory mirrors. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be putting some accessories on our Polaris XP1000. We ordered it with a windshield and a rear view mirror, but we're finding that we really would like to have some side mirrors on it. So on Amazon we came across some side mirrors. I believe they were somewhere in the $39 range, and we're going to do a little unboxing and mount these guys up and do a review and let you know how these go. So stick with us. Okay, the instructions are not extremely good with these, but from the pictures it appears that you could mount this mirror one of two ways. You could have the L bracket in an upward position, or you could have it in a downward position, depending on which side you mount the mirrors on. I've elected to follow what appears to be in the instructions and mount it on the high side. And it's super easy. You loosen up the two Allen heads on this mount and spread this apart, and what it will do is it will go around your roll bar here and clamp down, and then all you do is tighten these two screws down. Super easy to install. Get these nice and snug so they don't rattle or come loose. You kind of go back and forth between the two. You'll see that the gap should be fairly even on them. And then you can mount these mirrors in a couple of different ways. You can actually have them outward. You can have them downward if you like. Some people like to hold them up like that. So we'll see how they look and how it works out for us when we get the other side on. Not sure which way we'll actually leave them. I like the fact of having them up. It takes less space and people are less apt to hit it. So these are, again, are very simple to install. They seem to be fairly durable. We'll see over time how we like them, but for $39, not a bad deal. Definitely much cheaper than the factory accessory. Okay, the install's complete. They're all adjusted. We did take it for a ride, and they don't vibrate. They hold into position. So far, I'm going to give these a very high rating. I do like them. They do really need to be in an outward position rather than an upward position. Otherwise, you cannot see the passenger side that good. But when they're in the outward position, visibility is fantastic. Everything looks good. So if you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have one of these ATVs and you may need some insurance on it, we can also take care of you through Full Octane Insurance. That's at fulloctaneinsurance.com. And again, we'll have more of these cool videos. We also, in the Full Octane Garage fleet, got a Can-Am. He bought it with factory accessories. I was the cheapskate and bought this pretty well stripped out, though it is an XP1000, fairly expensive unit, but I wanted to save on the accessories and do some DIY installs, show you how to do it online. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage, and we'll see you really soon.